The St. Andrew South Police have released the names of several men they believe can help to contain a flare-up of violence in Waterhouse, St. Andrew. A man was murdered in the community this morning, while another was killed Saturday morning. Kirk Wright reports.
The police are investigating 2 gun murders within a 48-hour window in the Waterhouse community. These men may be able to help with their investigation.
They are Kevin Brown, O.C. Bams, Chris Matic, Christopher McLean, O.C. Frazzle. As it relates to McLean, he was recently released from custody. He was on charges of wounding with intent, illegal possession of firearm. That matter was disposed of late in 2022, and our understanding is that he's back in the space. Our intelligence suggests that this person is of interest to us, and therefore we're asking him and the others to report to the Hunts Bay CIB, where they will be further questioned.
Sometime about 3:30 Sunday morning, the police say men went to this yard where they shot and killed a man in his bed. The man has only been identified as Yellow. So far, there's no motive for the killing, but several residents said Yellow opposed openly to several rapes, shop break-ins, and other crimes in the Waterhouse community. There was also another murder Saturday morning at the intersection of Barbados Road and Largy Road. The police are not sure if the killing of that man is connected to Yellow's murder.
There's some intelligence that we're gathering around both incidents to conclusively determine that they are linked. I wouldn't want to comment on that. However, the investigations are ongoing. I know we have our field officers out in the areas doing some work and gathering intelligence on both these murders, and we are actually connecting the dots.
In the meantime, there was also an update on a recent murder in Seaview Gardens. Deputy Superintendent Mento says a teen has been charged in connection with that murder.
One Ron Davis, O.C. Dragon, 19-year-old student of Seaview Gardens, was charged on the 13th of April 2023 for the murder of Greg Smith, which was committed on the 6th of April about 8:25 in the morning.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.